Collaborating with colleagues, partners, and customers has never been easier with the next-generation productivity and collaboration tools of Teamcenter Share, fully embedded in Solid Edge. Experience and enhance file management capabilities with upgrades made to column selection dialog. You can gain deeper insight into files within a project. Alongside the default columns, additional columns such as file types, size, and description can be added, making Teamcenter Share easy and convenient to use. Teamcenter Share also supports NX and Solid Edge properties. For ease of use, a top-level assembly icon has been added to the project area. Here we see an assembly from the Tremonia Electric City 75 mobility vehicle. A design change is required for the grab handle assembly and the sheet metal leg guard situated behind the driver's seat. Teamcenter Share's design manager can easily communicate the change request by utilizing the built-in markup capabilities. A design change needs to be assigned to an engineer. With Teamcenter Share, this task can easily be taken care of. Teamcenter Share enables you to share and send messages or assign tasks. When creating a task, you can assign the task to a team member. For ease of use, information such as title, description, priority, and due dates can be added. You can also add tags while creating tasks for smooth and easy searching. Task management gets a major upgrade with the enhanced task board featuring a Kanban-style interface for easy tracking of project progress. Tasks can now be reordered based on priority, and status updates are as simple as dragging and dropping tasks between categories. The list view also introduces productivity improvements, allowing tasks to be sorted by priority and offering additional properties like assigned to and tags for better management. The design engineer will get an email notification detailing the task along with a link to view the project. Teamcenter Share makes communication straightforward, making project management a seamless process. Tight and secure integration of Teamcenter Share within Solid Edge eliminates the need for the designer to open the web version. Teamcenter Share is easily accessible from within Solid Edge. Designers can also easily view markup within Solid Edge. Files that have been marked up have an orange indicator. Designers can also quickly open assemblies and view the markups and changes made. These features provide a fluid process for the design engineers. Since Teamcenter Share provides complete support for Solid Edge's built-in data management, a new revision of the part can be created, automatically incrementing to revision B. Access to all of the features and functions of Solid Edge are available while editing files which are stored in Teamcenter Share. When a task is complete, the design engineer can update the status of the task. Teamcenter Share allows you to easily drag a task from in progress to completed. Here we see in the web browser that the task board has been updated immediately. The design manager will be notified as well as all other stakeholders involved in the project. Solid Edge and Teamcenter Share work hand in hand to help you and your team work better together.